Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are out of town skiing again, and for times like this where I'm not at home, I have a list of videos that I want to make. Last time we were here, we used ChatGPT to make the logo icon for this channel. I want to do something similar, but for the banner. My plan is to pick a few photos that resonate with me. Let's look to see what we have. Okay, so I have the free ChatGPT website here, and we can only upload 3 images a day. These are the 10 that I picked out. So we can either wait each day to upload 3, or we could go here and pay for the Go version. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I might end up paying for it, but we will see what happens. Moment of truth. So I obviously ended up paying for it. So I wrote, "Hi ChatGPT, I really like all 10 of these photos. Can you use them to create a YouTube banner? Please make it look vibrant, minimalist, professional with a 2560 x 1440 pixel image layout where all main elements are center, ensuring they are visible on all devices. Thank you." Let's see what we get. I think this might take a while. No, it's pretty fast. Okay. We are not gonna cut this part out. Maybe we'll cut it out depending on how long this takes. We'll fast forward it. That actually looks pretty sweet. Okay, I'm gonna mess with it a little bit, and I guess we'll see where we end up. Awesome time using ChatGPT. I think it's worth it for me to pay the $8 to get unlimited searches. This is the one I'm probably gonna go with because it made us look the most realistic and less edited. Some of them were so heavily edited, it made us look like we're more aggressive skiers than we really are. I'm also pretty impressed. It always knows to put this photo in the center, and I also can't really figure out what direction I want the YouTube channel to head in, but AI clearly has an answer, and it's adventure, lifestyle, DIY, and builds, and gaming. I think that's a perfect summary for where I'm currently at. Video 362 done.